Number 3 then, from the 2008 Advanced Higher, 4 marks just for transforming this graph. No calculations required. It says, here's a graph of y equals f of x. What would the graph of y equals the negative of f of x plus 1 look like? Just a transformation. So you have to sketch the graph showing its asymptotes, obviously, and write down the equation of those asymptotes. Right, so what have you got? F of x means you evaluate the function at value of x, and that value is plotted as a y-coordinate. So if your new graph still uses the same function, you're going to get the same answers, only you're wanting the negatives of those. Well, that just means it'll flip over. And of course it'll take its asymptotes with it, because the asymptotes are a feature of the function, not fixed in the coordinate background. So the first part would be, I want the negative of the answers, just flip it over. So it's going to end up looking like this. The second part is, where do you plot those answers? If it just said f of x, you'd be plotting those new answers at the same position. But x plus 1 means, to find the value at x, I've got to go to the value at x plus 1 and take its answer and bring it back to x. So in other words, everything's going to move back 1. So I've flipped it, and then it all just goes back 1. So the new graph should be looking like this. And the equations of these new asymptotes, well, the vertical asymptote is now at x equals 1. Maybe just put that. Vertical asymptote, x equals 1. And the non-vertical asymptote is going to be y equals negative 1. And there you are. Nice and easy.